Alright, just a quick video of a crappie rig. Just put these seats on for me and my son to fish, so we're not in each other's way. Here's the fish finder mount. Kind of adjust this back and forth. So we can just take a seat here. And here's our rig for live scope. So when we're actually traveling from section, this just goes up. And let me see, do it with one hand. And I just put this pin. There. Hard to do with one hand, but you get it. Then I could drive off without it dragging in the water. Just angles. And when I'm at the spot, just take this off, and it just drops down. So, pretty nifty. Pretty cheap to make, so it's not too hard. And then here's the Garmin. And let's see. Here's the tackle that we use. Well, the line. So we use Vicious 6-pound line, yellow line. It's this one. So this is the one we use. Get it from Walmart, but works real good. Then I just spray it with this Real Magic. Makes it a little more castable and not many line twist. And here's our jigs that we use. Swivel. So that's all our jigs. Majority of these jig heads are Sicko hooks from Walmart. 1/16 ounce. Couple custom bat eye jig heads and some bullet. I forget what they're called. Split shots, yeah. A lot of these colors are all custom, so we just pour them in our garage. One of the best colors that are working right now is this electric chicken, or my son calls it lightning chicken. And this one works well, this kind of ice color with glitter. And this one, the banana color. Banana works really good. Yep. But yeah, just custom colors we make. Can't buy them at the store, so make our own. Some Ghost Natural minnows. Got some funky glitter ones too. Here's another banana, but in black flake. But yeah, that is what we use. Here's a cool color. And yeah, we just kind of a double jig rig. That's what's been working best for the lakes we go to. And yeah, haven't tried this seat configuration yet, but probably in the weekend we'll test it out. Plenty of room for him and myself to fish without getting in the way over here, having that second seat over here. Alright.